This town so
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my holiday makeup look. As you can see, I always start off with some eye patches to hydrate and moisturize the under eye and just make them look like I've had like 20 hours of sleep. And then I usually just pat in the residue under my eyes, and then this is when I like to grab some clips and clip up my hair. Then I put on some Vaseline, moisturize the lips, have them looking extra pouty for this Christmas makeup look. Then next I'll go in with my two favorite foundations at the moment, the Makeup Forever Holy Grail foundation. I've been using it for years, and the Selena Gomez Rare Beauty foundation. It is bomb and the combination is even greater. So then I'll go in with my beauty blender and I will pat away. So then I'll go in with the Rare Beauty concealer in the shade 270N, and I'm going to apply it under my eyes, under my brow bone, and in the areas that I want to highlight. And again, I'll go in with my beauty blender and really blend that in. So then it's time to set and bake the concealer using my Laura Mercier setting powder, my all-time favorite setting powder, and I will apply a generous amount underneath my eyes and let that sit for a couple of minutes while I do my brows. So I filled on my brows off camera, and now I'm going in with the eyeshadow. So I'm using the colors Cashmere and Latte, and I'm applying that into the crease of my eye using a really light hand. I have been trying to master this because I found that I was really going in with a heavy hand, and it just looks so much more better, seamless, blended better when you go in with a light hand. So you want to have patience and blend away. Guys, I'm filming on a new camera and I am astonished at the video quality. Like, wow. I've been filming on my phone for so many years and I was missing out. Like, I mean, it's a big investment, a camera, which is why it took me so long to purchase one, but like, it's a game changer. Like, this quality is amazing. You can see everything. Every little pimple that I have on my face, you can see. Like, everything just looks so good. So I'm applying some facial mist to a flat-ended brush, and I'm using the color Candle. I just feel like when you use a wet brush to put on like a shimmery eyeshadow on your lid, it just applies way better. So I always use like a patting motion to apply a shimmer shadow. And now I'm just cleaning up the translucent powder that was baking on my skin. So I'm going in with the shades Cashmere and Latte once again, but this time I'm applying it on my waterline. We need to balance out the eye look. We cannot leave it looking unfinished, so you definitely don't want to miss this step. Next, we're going in with this awesome palette by Too Faced, the Natural Face palette. And we're going to add some bronzer to her skin because I'm looking a little pale, so we want to add some warmth back into the skin, so I'm just bronzing her up, focusing on the cheeks, the temples, the hairline, and just blending away until the cows come home. I can't believe I actually said that, but you get the point. You just want to keep on blending as much as you can. You don't want it looking like harsh lines on your skin. You want it to look natural, you know? We don't want to be caked. You want it to look as natural as possible. Oh, yeah. Okay, so this is when I'll take my brush and cinch it just like this, and I will use whatever's left on the brush to bronze up my nose, contour it a little bit. I really like a very natural contour on my nose. I don't like a harsh, chiseled, contoured nose look, so this is how I do it. And I'll just, you know, brush it against the edges, like on the tip of my nose, right in that area there. I think it just gives it like a very nice, like, buttoned nose look. So then I'll go in with my blush from this palette and I'll apply it on the apples of my cheek, and I'll work in an upward motion and just blend that all in. So next I will curl my lashes because God knows that these lashes of mine are straight as a stick if I don't curl them first. So I will curl them, press on the curling wand 10 times, and then I'll go in with my favorite mascara at the moment, and that is the Telescopic Mascara by L'Oreal Paris. Let me tell you guys, this is such a good mascara. It gives so much length and it does not clump your lashes, so love it. Okay, so mascara is on, and I also decided to apply some falsies because I wanted to just enhance the eye look. And then I'm going in with the two highlighting shades in this palette, and I like to apply that on the tip of my nose because I think it just looks so cute when the tip of your nose is highlighted, as well as my cheekbones. And then I also apply a little bit of highlighter in between the eyes, like in that area right on the nose. Not sure what it's called, but as you can see, that's where I like to highlight. I think it looks so pretty. So it's time for the lips, and I'm going in with this lip liner by Clinique. It is the Intense Cosmo lip liner in number 8, and I like to outline the lips to have a nice space for the lipstick. And then I'm going in with this beautiful like Christmas shade of red. It is a liquid lipstick by Maybelline, and I'm just really trying to be careful because we're working with red here and they can get really messy really quickly. So I'm just carefully applying it on my lips. Guys, we've made it to the last step, and here I just like to go back in with my eyeshadow palette and go in with the same shades that I used and do a little retouches if I feel like I need to retouch any areas of the eye. So here is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed my Christmas makeup look. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. I would really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye guys.